New year, fresh start. If you are looking for simple, tasty, heart-healthy meal ideas that do not depend on heavy salt or complicated cooking, you are in the right place. In today's video, I am sharing 21 low-sodium, heart-healthy meal ideas that are easy to make, comforting, and designed for everyday healthy eating. No boring food. No long explanations. Just simple meals you can actually enjoy and come back to again and again. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last few ideas are perfect for busy days when you want something quick but still satisfying. Meals 1 to 5. Heart-conscious breakfast ideas 1. Oatmeal with berries and chia seeds. This first breakfast idea is simple, warm, and comforting. Cooking time. About 10 minutes. You will need half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of fresh berries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. How to make it. Add the oats and your liquid to a small pot. Place it on medium heat and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring gently so it does not stick. Once the oats are soft and creamy, turn off the heat. Top with fresh berries, sprinkle in the chia seeds, and finish with a little cinnamon. Spoken lifestyle note. Oatmeal like this is commonly included in balanced diets and fits well into a heart-conscious lifestyle. It is simple, filling, and easy to customize without adding extra salt. 2. Avocado toast with tomato. This one is quick, fresh, and perfect when you do not want to spend much time in the kitchen. Cooking time. About 5 minutes. You will need 1 slice of whole grain bread, half of a ripe avocado, a few fresh tomato slices, a pinch of black pepper, a small squeeze of lemon juice. How to make it. Start by toasting the bread until it is lightly crisp. While it toasts, mash the avocado in a small bowl and add a little lemon juice to keep it fresh. Spread the avocado evenly over the toast. Top with tomato slices and finish with a light sprinkle of black pepper. Spoken lifestyle note. This kind of avocado toast is often included in heart-healthy food choices and works well as part of a heart-conscious lifestyle, especially when you keep it simple and low in added salt. 3. Veggie egg scramble. This breakfast is quick, warm, and easy to make any day of the week. Cooking time. About 8 minutes. You will need 2 eggs, half a cup of fresh spinach, 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How to make it. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the bell pepper and spinach and sauté for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until softened. Crack the eggs directly into the pan. Stir gently and slowly until the eggs are just set and fluffy, then remove from heat. Spoken lifestyle note. This veggie egg scramble is helpful for everyday healthy eating and fits well into heart-healthy food choices when prepared without added salt. 4. Greek yogurt fruit bowl. This one is perfect when you want something fresh with zero cooking. Cooking time. No cooking needed. You will need 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of chopped apple or pear, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. How to make it. Add the yogurt to a bowl. Top with the chopped fruit. Sprinkle the ground flaxseed over the top. Give it a quick mix and it is ready to enjoy. Spoken lifestyle note. Bowls like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating, especially when you keep the yogurt plain and free from added sugars. 5. Banana oat pancakes. This one feels like a treat, but it is made with just a few simple ingredients. Cooking time. About 10 minutes. You will need 1 ripe banana, half a cup of oats, 1 egg. How to make it. Add the banana, oats, and egg to a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and thick. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour small circles of batter into the pan and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until lightly golden. Spoken lifestyle note. These banana oat pancakes are helpful for everyday healthy eating and are often included in heart-healthy food choices when made without added sugar or salt. Meals 6 to 13. Simple heart-healthy lunch and amp. Dinner ideas 6. Baked lemon herb chicken. This is a simple dinner idea that feels comforting without relying on heavy salt. Cooking time. About 25 minutes. You will need 1 chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a light sprinkle of garlic powder and dried herbs of your choice. How to make it. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken breast on a baking dish. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Sprinkle lightly with garlic powder and herbs. Bake for about 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Spoken lifestyle note. Meals like this are often included in heart-healthy food choices and fit well into a heart-conscious lifestyle, especially when herbs and lemon are used instead of added salt. 7. Quinoa Veggie Bowl. This one is light, colorful, and easy to put together. Cooking time. About 15 minutes. You will need half a cup of dry quinoa, 1 cup of chopped vegetables, like zucchini and carrots, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How to make it. Rinse the quinoa well, then cook it according to package directions until fluffy. While the quinoa cooks, heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the vegetables and sauté lightly for a few minutes, just until tender but still bright. Once everything is ready, combine the quinoa and vegetables in a bowl and mix gently. Spoken lifestyle note. Quinoa bowls like this are commonly included in balanced diets and work well as part of a heart-conscious lifestyle when kept simple and low in added sodium. 8. Grilled salmon with steamed greens. This meal is simple, fresh, and comes together quickly. Cooking time. About 12 minutes. You will need a 4-ounce salmon fillet, 1 cup of broccoli or other green vegetables, a small squeeze of lemon juice. How to make it. Heat a grill pan or regular pan over medium heat. Place the salmon on the pan and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it flakes easily. While the salmon cooks, steam the greens until just tender. Finish everything with a light squeeze of lemon juice before serving. Spoken lifestyle note. Meals like this are often part of heart-healthy food choices and support a heart-conscious lifestyle when prepared without added salt or heavy sauces. 9. Lentil vegetable stew. This is a cozy, one-pot meal that works well when you want something warm and filling. Cooking time. About 30 minutes. You will need half a cup of dry lentils, 1 cup of chopped vegetables, such as onion, carrot, and celery, 3 cups of water. How to make it. Add the lentils, vegetables, and water to a pot. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then lower the heat. Let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the lentils are soft and the stew thickens naturally. Remove from heat and let it sit for a minute before serving. Spoken lifestyle note. Lentil stews like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating, especially when made without added salt. 10. Stuffed bell peppers. This meal is colorful, comforting, and easy to prepare ahead of time. Cooking time. About 30 minutes. You will need 2 bell peppers, 1 cup of cooked brown rice, half a cup of black beans with no added salt. How to make it. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds. In a bowl, mix the cooked brown rice and black beans. Spoon the mixture into the peppers until they are filled. Place the peppers in a baking dish and bake for about 30 minutes until the peppers are tender. Spoken lifestyle note. Stuffed vegetables like these are often part of heart-healthy food choices and fit nicely into a heart-conscious lifestyle when kept simple and low in sodium. 11. Chickpea spinach skillet. This is a fast, no-fuss meal that comes together in minutes. Cooking time. About 10 minutes. You will need 1 cup of chickpeas, rinsed well. 1 cup of fresh spinach. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How to make it. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chickpeas and warm them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once heated through, add the spinach and gently fold it in. Cook just until the spinach wilts, then remove from heat. Spoken lifestyle note. Simple skillet meals like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating, especially when prepared without added salt. 12. Turkey lettuce wraps. This meal is light, quick, and easy to put together. Cooking time. About 8 minutes. You will need 4 ounces of lean ground turkey. A few large lettuce leaves. A small amount of chopped onion and garlic. How to make it. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the ground turkey. Cook it gently, breaking it apart as it browns. Add the onion and garlic and cook for another minute, just until fragrant. Spoon the cooked turkey mixture into the lettuce leaves and serve right away. Spoken lifestyle note. Lettuce wraps like these are often part of heart-healthy food choices and fit well into a heart-conscious lifestyle when kept simple and low in sodium. 13. Whole grain pasta with veggie sauce. This is a comforting meal that still keeps things simple and balanced. Cooking time. About 20 minutes. You will need 1 cup of cooked whole grain pasta. Half a cup of tomato sauce with no added salt. A small handful of mushrooms and fresh spinach. How to make it. Cook the pasta according to package directions and set it aside. In a pan, gently heat the tomato sauce over medium heat. Add the mushrooms and cook for a few minutes until softened. Stir in the spinach and let it wilt slightly. Combine the sauce with the cooked pasta and mix well. Spoken lifestyle note. Whole grain pasta dishes like this are commonly included in balanced diets and work well as part of a heart-conscious lifestyle when sauces are kept low in sodium. Meals 14 to 18. Light meals and amp. Bowls 14. Cucumber chickpea salad. This one is fresh, cooling, and perfect when you do not want to cook. Cooking time. No cooking needed. You will need 1 cup of chickpeas. 1 cup of chopped cucumber. A small squeeze of lemon juice. A light drizzle of olive oil. How to make it. Add the chickpeas and cucumber to a bowl. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Mix gently until everything is coated. Chill for a few minutes before serving if you like it extra refreshing. Spoken lifestyle note. Simple salads like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating, especially when kept light and low in added sodium. 15. Sweet potato and black bean bowl. This bowl is hearty, comforting, and very easy to put together. Cooking time. About 25 minutes. You will need 1 medium sweet potato. Half a cup of black beans, rinsed and with no added salt. How to make it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 degrees Celsius. Peel the sweet potato if you like, then cut it into small cubes. Place the pieces on a baking tray and roast for about 20 to 25 minutes until soft and lightly browned. Once done, add the roasted sweet potato to a bowl and combine it with the black beans. Mix gently and serve warm. Spoken lifestyle note. Bowls like this are often included in heart-healthy food choices and fit well into a heart-conscious lifestyle when kept simple and low in sodium. 16. Tuna avocado bowl. This is a quick, no-cook meal that works well on busy days. Cooking time. No cooking needed. You will need 1 can of low-sodium tuna, drained. Half of a ripe avocado. How to make it. Add the tuna to a bowl. Gently mash the avocado and mix it in with the tuna. Stir lightly until everything is combined, then serve right away. Spoken lifestyle note. Simple bowls like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating, especially when you choose low-sodium options. 17. Veggie stir-fry. No sauce needed. This is one of the easiest meals on the list, and it comes together fast. Cooking time. About 10 minutes. You will need 2 cups of mixed vegetables. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How to make it. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the vegetables and stir frequently. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until they are tender but still crisp. Remove from heat and serve right away. Spoken lifestyle note. Simple vegetable stir-fries like this are often part of heart-healthy food choices and work well as part of a heart-conscious lifestyle when prepared without sauces high in sodium. 18. Brown rice and steamed veggies. This is a basic, no-fuss meal that works any time of day. Cooking time. About 25 minutes. You will need half a cup of dry brown rice. 1 cup of mixed vegetables. How to make it. Cook the brown rice according to package directions until tender and fluffy. While the rice cooks, steam the vegetables until just soft but still colorful. Serve the steamed vegetables over the cooked brown rice and enjoy. Spoken lifestyle note. Meals like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating, especially when kept low in added sodium. Meals 19 to 21. Simple Heart Smart Snack IDEAS 19. Apple with nut butter. This is an easy snack you can put together in seconds. Cooking time. No cooking needed. You will need 1 apple. 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter. How to make it. Slice the apple into wedges. Dip the slices into the peanut butter or spread a small amount on top. That is it. Simple and satisfying. Spoken lifestyle note. Snacks like this are helpful for everyday healthy eating and are often included in heart-healthy food choices when kept simple and portion-aware. 20. Homemade trail mix. This is a simple snack you can prepare ahead and keep on hand. Cooking time. No cooking needed. You will need 1/4 cup of unsalted nuts. 2 tablespoons of raisins. How to make it. Add the nuts and raisins to a small bowl or container. Mix them together and store for later, or enjoy right away. Spoken lifestyle note. Homemade trail mixes like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating when you choose unsalted ingredients. 21. Yogurt with cinnamon. This final idea is simple, comforting, and perfect when you want something light. Cooking time. No cooking needed. You will need half a cup of plain yogurt. A small pinch of cinnamon. How to make it. Add the yogurt to a bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon on top. Give it a gentle stir, and it is ready to enjoy. Spoken lifestyle note. Simple snacks like this are commonly included in balanced diets and are helpful for everyday healthy eating when you keep ingredients plain and low in added sugar. If you enjoyed these heart-healthy, low-sodium meal ideas, go ahead and give this video a like and save it so you can come back to it whenever you need fresh meal inspiration. I would love to hear from you, so let me know in the comments which meal you would try first, or which one feels like it would fit best into your everyday routine. And if simple, comforting, everyday healthy eating is something you want more of this year, consider subscribing and staying with me. New videos like this are always on the way, with easy meals designed to support a heart-conscious lifestyle without making things complicated.